The time has now finally come to bring the rings into the right shape. Based on each order, the ring's exact dimensions have to be entered into the machine. Next, we insert the ring and close the doors. In the first step, some of the material from the outer surface is removed, so that the ring is the right height. Then, the outer curvature is made. Finally, the ring is reclambed to finish the inner curvature. The ring is then removed for inspection. Before we can commence the next step, it is measured again and checked for the correct dimensions. This also includes a width measurement. This is where the decades of experience of our specialists in the use of most modern CNC machines and the knowledge of the classic goldsmith's art are combined. The result is ideal proportions for wearing comfort.